Hey everyone, it's officially soup season and today I'm gonna make my favorite corn veggie soup. First I'm heating up some butter in a pan. Next I'm adding in all the colorful vegetables like beans, carrots, bell peppers and of course corn. I'll fry these for a bit, adding salt and both black and white pepper. Now I'm adding water as needed along with 1 cube of halal chicken stock. Next I'm putting in soy sauce and green chili sauce, letting everything simmer until it's fully cooked. Now I'll taste it to make sure the flavors are just right. Then I'm beating 1 egg really well and pouring it in, stirring constantly to mix it in. And finally, I'm dissolving some cornstarch in cold water and adding it to reach my preferred consistency. Once it's done, I'm taking it off the heat and serving it hot. Enjoy! In today's episode of my soup series, I'm making my favorite cream of mushroom soup with garlic bread. First, I'm heating the pan and adding butter. Then I'm adding chopped onions and garlic and saute them well. At this stage, I'm adding a little oil to prevent the butter from burning. Once the onions and garlic turn brown, I'm adding chopped mushrooms. Any type of mushroom works for this recipe. Once the mushrooms are cooked, I'm adding a bit more butter and some flour. I'm mixing everything well to make sure there are no lumps. Next, I'm adding water. You can also use chicken stock if you prefer. I'm not adding any herb, replacing it with a chicken cube. Now I'm adding salt, black pepper and a small amount of thyme. This is optional. I'm mixing everything and letting it come to a boil. Finally, I'm adding cream. Once the soup thickens, I'm taking it off the heat and serving it hot with garlic bread. Try it with garlic bread, it tastes so much better. Did you know you can make restaurant quality Chinese egg drop soup in under 10 minutes? Let me show you how. First, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of water. This helps create the perfect egg ribbons. Whisk everything together for at least 20 seconds. Next, heat some water in a pot and add a chicken stock cube or broth. Add a pinch of turmeric powder for a beautiful color. Once it comes to a boil, season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and oyster sauce. Now add a cornstarch slurry to thicken the soup. While stirring the soup, slowly pour in the eggs to create the iconic egg ribbons. After a few seconds, sprinkle in some chopped scallions, then turn off the heat. And that's it, an easy and delicious soup recipe you can try at home. Let's make some tomato soup from scratch. This is my husband's hand, by the way. First, cut all your veggies like tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, whole garlic, celery sticks, and some fresh basil. Spread them evenly on a baking tray. Now add all the spices like salt, black pepper, garlic, and herb seasoning, thyme, oregano, and oil. Mix them well and roast in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. After roasting, blend them really well, then cook it in a pot and add some cream. Let it simmer for a while and that's it. Your tomato soup is ready for winter. Thanks for watching.